I'm going to cover 5 loan companies that provide quick funding even to people with bad credit. And best part about it, you can apply right from your phone. And a few of these loans don't even require a credit check. So if you have no credit, little credit, or just starting out your credit journey, you're going to want to check out this video, so stay tuned. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Currency Comps, where I cover all things money. So these loan apps we're covering today are essentially float me loans, which means if you need money to your next paycheck, this is a great option versus a payday advance. So the first loan is called B9, and you can find them at B9.com, or you can click the link in my description. With B9, you can borrow up to $500 with no credit check and no interest. All you need to do is to sign up for a B9 checking account and set up direct deposit. And that's going to be a running theme with all these loans we're covering today. Most of them require you to set up direct deposit. The only drawback with B9 is there's a monthly subscription fee. The basic, which is $9.99 a month, allowing you to borrow up to $100. And B9 Premium, which is $19.99 a month, allowing you to borrow up to $500. You'll also have to wait till your first direct deposit is credited to your B9 account in order to see how much you qualify to borrow. Other perks of having a B9 account is that there's up to 5% cash back on certain categories when you use your B9 card, and instant peer-to-peer transfers between accounts, just like Cash App. And if you want more information on B9, click the link in my description. I also have an in-depth review on my channel if you want to check that out. All right, next, Varo, and you can find them at VaroMoney.com. There'll also be a link in my description. So Varo has 4 products: manage money, credit building, savings, and borrow. So you can borrow anywhere from $20 to $250 without an impact to your credit, meaning they will run a soft pull when you apply for credit, but will never run a hard inquiry. And once you apply and get approved, you can receive your money instantly. One of the drawbacks here is that you'll need to wait at least 30 days after you sign up for Varo and set up direct deposit to qualify. And payback to this loan is going to be anywhere from 15 to 30 days. So there's no interest when you borrow with Varo, but there is a fixed fee anywhere from $4 to $15 depending on your loan amount. So another one of the drawbacks to borrowing with Varo is that your first loan, you'll never receive the full $250, even if you're well qualified. But if you are well qualified, I wouldn't see why you want to take out $250 with Varo. You should have no problem taking out a personal loan from another credit union, another bank, another loan company with higher loan amounts and longer terms. So you most likely are going to get started out with a low loan amount. And every time you pay those loans back, you have the potential for a higher loan amount the next time you apply. So we're on to the third one, and this is one of my favorite, and not everybody knows about this one, even though you might have this app already, Cash App. With Cash App, you can borrow anywhere from $20 to $200 fast. So not everybody is going to be able to borrow money from Cash App. Even if you already have the app, you might not see this option. It's going to depend on several things, like your credit history, whether you have a cash card or not, and how often you use Cash App. The way this loan works is different than most. You don't need to apply. You either have the Cash App borrow feature or you don't. I've been using Cash App for years, and I just got access to the Cash App borrow feature. But once you're in, it's easy to get your loan. If you don't have a Cash App account, click the link in my description to sign up and receive $5 just for signing up. Once in Cash App, tap the home screen icon and scroll all the way to the bottom. You should see the borrow option. If it shows locked, all you have to do is tap unlock, and Cash App's going to tell you the amount you're able to borrow without any application, without having to submit any paperwork, just by tapping a button. From there, you select your repayment plan, read the user agreement, then accept and receive your loan. And that money is going to go straight into your Cash App account. And Cash App also gives you the option to pay back your loan in 4 weeks, and they also give you a 1-week grace period. So you're going to be able to make 4 weekly payments or pay 1 monthly sum. There is no interest or origination fee when you borrow with Cash App, but there is a 5% flat fee. And if you don't pay it back and miss your grace period, there's a 1.25% finance charge. So out of all of them, Cash App is the one I'd probably try first. So if you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a loan because you don't have the best credit. If you're new to my channel, I want to thank you for watching if you haven't seen any of my videos already, but I have videos on credit repair, on high limit credit cards, high limit loans for people with no credit, how to repair your credit if I didn't say that already, everything having to do with money, side hustles, working from home, how to get financing for a business you're starting. I mean, I cover the whole realm having to do with money. So if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe. Let's continue here. So the next one is Vola Finance, and with Vola Finance, you can borrow up to $300 with no interest and no credit check. All you have to do is sign up for a Vola account, link an existing bank account that's at least 3 months old, have a bank balance over $150, and show income and deposits. So there's 2 memberships for Vola Finance. The first one, basic, which is free, and the premium, which ranges anywhere from $299 to $28.99 a month. And when applying for this loan, it seems that you're led to believe that you need the premium account to be approved for the loan, which means a monthly subscription fee. But I'm going to show you how to get around that. We'll get back into that. Just stay with me here. So when you request an advance, there's going to be 2 ways to receive your money. The first way is to have it deposited into your existing bank account, which can take up to 5 hours. The next is to have it deposited instantly into your Vola card. A plus of taking out this advance is that there's no additional fees for funds transferred. For example, Dave charges $5.99 as of this video to receive your money instantly. And the way you're going to pay this loan back is by automatic withdrawal from your bank account. You can also make early payments without any penalties. And if you don't have enough to cover your next automatic payment, you can request a 10-day extension. Alright, so now let me show you how you're going to apply and get approved for the Vola advance without a subscription. So when you sign up for Vola, it's going to say something like, do you want the cash advance feature? Sign up for the premium membership. But you're not going to sign up for the premium membership. You're going to stay with the basic free membership. So all you have to do from here is once you sign up for your account is email Vola. The email address is going to be right here. Let them know that you want the advance without subscribing for a premium membership, and that's it. Now this method will take a little bit longer, but you're not going to have that monthly subscription fee. And you might be thinking, man, I don't want to do that. That might not even work. But look, this is where reading all the fine print comes into play, because this is straight off the Vola website, and it states that's all you have to do to get around that subscription. So if you like this hack, give me a thumbs up. All right, so next and last loan. So this loan here, you're gonna have to take with a grain of salt. The online reviews for this loan are terrible, but it is a loan you can get with no credit check. So I'm gonna include it in this video. Gerald, and you can find them at joingerald.com. So Gerald offers features like bill tracker, bill pay, budgeting, and a cash advance feature that lets you borrow up to $215 without a credit check instantly. This loan is perfect if you need quick cash to your next paycheck, and there's no interest or fees. All you have to do is connect an existing bank account that's at least 3 months old and have consistent direct deposits of over $100. When you request an advance with Gerald, you have the money in your account within a few minutes. There are cases that it's going to take 24 hours to receive your funds, and repayment's going to be automatically deducted on your next payday. The website's unclear of the fees involved to use the cash advance, but from what I found online, there's a $9.99 a month subscription fee. So 1 through 4 are fine. They do have their pros, they do have their cons. This last one, again, take it with a grain of salt, read all the reviews. So check this out. If you need money and you're going through all these loan apps, you're also going to want to apply for a credit card. I have a link in my description to sign up for Capital One. When you sign up using the link in my description, you can see if you're pre-approved without an impact to your credit score. And they have all different types of cards for every credit situation. You have bad credit, you have no credit, you have great credit. You can be approved for $250, you can be approved for $5,000. It just depends on your credit situation. No obligation and no initial hard pull. Now, if you are approved and do like the credit limit that they're giving you, then they will run a hard pull. So myself, I always go in on soft pull pre-approvals. Even if I'm not looking to apply for a new card, if I see an application that requires no initial credit pull to your credit, I'm all in. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Links in description. Check you on the next one.